Another essential component of a gas extinguishing system is the leakage valve, which is installed in the control line. It ensures that no unwanted pressure builds up in the pneumatic release system, which could lead to a false activation due to a leak. The AccurateFlow leakage valve can not only relieve leakage pressures that occur, but also has a venting function after a system check. It is mounted in the control area and on the control blocks. Care has been taken to position all operationally relevant components in one central location, rather than being scattered throughout the system as usual. The leakage valve is easy to find on all blocks and is always installed in the same place. This position in the control area ensures clarity. Normally, leakage valves are installed at the end of the control line, which can impair the system's clarity. The AccurateFlow leakage valve remains open to a pressure of 3 bar, allowing leakage gas to escape freely, and closes at a pressure above 3 bar. It can be manually vented by tilting the lever, which is particularly important during maintenance or inspections.